Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to thank for this opportunity for me to present our paper. Let me introduce myself. My name is Bambang Sugiarto. I come from Faculty of Engineering, Universitas Sangga-Buana YPKP Bandung. The title of our paper is An Improved Wood Identification Accuracy Using Gaussian Pyramid and Laplacian Edge Detection based on Android smartphone. The author of this paper are Bambang Sugiarto for first author, Muhammad Rashid Arifin, Rifa Hafiani Laluma, Esa Pakasa, Gunawan Shah, and Ade Geovania Azwar. This presentation will be divided into 7 sections. The first section is for the introduction. The second is wood dataset, methodology of extraction and classifying, purpose method, the training and testing procedure of wood identification, result and analysis, and the last is conclusion. In the introduction section, we discuss about the background and the contribution of this research. First, we talk about the background. The wood identification process is very important to determine the wood type because it requires high expertise using direct eye observation of the wood anatomies to the wood pattern sample in the laboratory. Several studies have been carried out for the rapid wood identification process without eye observation of the wood anatomies. So, computer vision is the first choice in this case, so that the identification results are rapid and more accurate than the conventional method. In our purpose research, we implement the histogram of oriented gradients and vector support Mason algorithm in the wood identification using desktop computer. The published paper is Wood Identification Based on Histogram on Oriented Gradient Filter and Support Vector Mason Classifier on International Conference on Information Technology, Information System and Electrical Engineering. Besides that, we also implement in smartphone with the published paper a smartphone based of wood identification using image filter expression on Journal of Computer Science and Informatics Engineering. In volume 4, number 1, June 2020. But the evaluation results from our previous research still have low accuracy for several wood types. This paper proposed an improved wood identification accuracy of the HOG method and SVM classifier by utilizing several methods on the image pre-processing. In this paper, we propose 2 methods to improve the accuracy of wood identification on Android smartphone: Gaussian Pyramid and the Laplacian Edge Detection method. The Gaussian Pyramid is used to reduce the wood image into a smaller group of pixels to qualify size wood image in the extraction process without reducing the image quality. And the second method, the Laplacian Edge Detection, is used to clear and distinguish the pattern in the wood image. For wood dataset, the physical wood sample dataset obtained from the Xylarium of Bulgariense, Forest Preserve Research and Development Center, the Ministry of Environment and Forestry, Republic of Indonesia. The wood image captured by the camera lens of smartphone, supported by the digital microscope with the 60 magnification. For our research, we prepare 5 species of wood. They are kembang semangkok, ketapang, peparat darat, pinang, and before we discuss about the proposed method, we can see the methodology of extraction and classification of the wood identification. There are 3 main stages in wood identification process. The first is image pre-processing, and then filter extraction, and the classifier. In image pre-processing, the wood image will convert to grayscale mode. So after that, the wood image will be extraction by Hauge filter extraction, and will result the value of extraction in HTML format, and the classifier will read that value and result of wood identification. For image pre-processing, we use RGB to grayscale conversion like this. There is alpha R, alpha G, and alpha P. And the standard of RGB to grayscale like this formula. In filter extraction using HOG filter extraction, there is sub-main stage. First, applying 1/3 center, calculate magnitude of gradient and normalization using L2 norm method, and to the SVM classifier using linear SVM. The result is obtained, and the value of this result is 1 and 0. 1 for yes and 0 is for no. In this paper, we propose 2 methods. The first is Gaussian pyramid. The Gaussian pyramid is used to reduce the wood image into a smaller group of pixels to qualify size wood image in the extraction process without reducing the image quality. In this figure, we can see that the wood image will be reduced into a smaller group of the pixel to qualify the size wood image in the extraction process. The second method is the Laplacian edge detection. The edge detection is commonly used in image processing for object recognition and analysis of the different parts of the image by identifying the gradient to find the edge. For detecting the edge of the wood image, the Laplacian edge detector is used to clear and distinguish the pattern in the wood image. We can see in this figure that the pattern of the wood will be clear and distinguish the pattern in this wood image. So in the classifier stage, this condition of wood image is easy to classify. On the discussed methods before, the method were implemented on the Android smartphone with the procedure of identification and testing workflow that can be seen in this figure. In the training and testing process, each process is divided into workflows to evaluate whether this method affects the identification accuracy. The first workflow is the process using Gaussian pyramid and Laplacian edge detection methods, and the other workflow without using this method. The testing process was the process of the SVM model evaluation of wood image that had been previously determined as a testing dataset. In this process, the selection of model A or B was carried out on the training data to be evaluated. Model A is the SVM model that uses the Gaussian pyramid and Laplacian edge detection method. On the other hand, the model B is SVM model without using the Gaussian pyramid and Laplacian edge detection method. The classified output at the end of this stage was the output from the result of the SVM classification step model on the testing dataset in the value of accuracy, precision, recall, and specificity value. So this output will be used to compare the classification result of model A with model B for each wood species using a confusion matrix. In the result section, we discuss about the experimental result of the wood identification. From the confusion matrix that worked before, from the result experiment, thus we can calculate the value of accuracy, precision, recall, and specificity. Then to evaluate the performance of the support vector machine classifier on the smartphone, this table shows the 4 standard terms of each testing wood image and describes that the testing result has different value of accuracy, sensitivity, specificity, and precision value in kembang semangkok, ketapang, Peparat darat, pinang, and puspa species. And from this table, we can analyze that each wood species has increased accuracy, precision, recall, and specificity. A significant accuracy increase was in kembang semangkok species, which had an accuracy increase of 24%. The lowest increment accuracy was for pinang and puspa species at 4% accuracy. This is because the structure of the wooden vessel in these two wood species are evenly distributed in all area of the image, so that the image reduction and edge detection process not much effect. And from the table, we can see the zero precision value is found in puspa species. This zero precision refers to the same measurement of the exactness of this wood identification of the predictive positive and negative, both of model A and model B. So, after all, we can conclude in this paper, the Gaussian pyramid and the Laplacian edge detection method on Android smartphone is proposed for improving wood identification. This paper is successfully shown by using these two methods. Each wood species has increased accuracy, precision, recall, and specificity. The lowest increment accuracy was for pinang and puspa species and 4% of accuracy, and zero precision value is found in puspa species. Furthermore, for 5 wood species, there was a significant increase, so it is very useful for improving the result of the identification using HOG descriptor and SVM classifier. Okay, this is the end of the presentation. Thank you very much for your attention.